Hi, I'm Donna Yonkers with Applied Maintenance Supplies and Solutions. We would like to introduce you to the Spill Control Station. The Spill Control Station is exactly how it sounds. It's a station that houses the absorbents that your shop needs to control spills. This station will save you time, boost productivity, and simplify your inventory. And the best part is, it can be customized to your shop. So let me tell you more about how it works. The Spill Control Station holds absorbents that are organized, labeled, and can be replenished through our vendor-managed inventory system. The station can be centrally located in any shop to ensure that workers can easily get their maintenance absorbents when they need them. The station is also made of a durable steel cabinet that is built to last in industrial environments, and its 2 adjustable shelves can be customized with a combination of absorbents. Let's talk about those absorbents. The first thing you want to do is decide what type of absorbent you will need: MRO, oil only, or hazmat. MRO absorbents soak up the widest range of liquids in everyday applications and are perfect for cleaning up oils, coolant, solvents, or water spills. Oil-only absorbents are naturally water repellent, which makes them the best choice for oily cleanups in rain or water, and are the perfect choice when you want to preserve absorbency just for oil. Hazmat yellow absorbents soak up hazardous or unknown liquids quickly and efficiently before they spread, and are cautionary yellow color-coded for quick identification. Let's take a look at the individual absorbents. Mat pads. Mat pads control spills and overspray to help keep floors dry and safe. Mat pads are great for grab-and-go convenience. Absorbent socks. Absorbent socks are ideal for surrounding spilled fluids or wrapping around leaky machines. They help contain spills from spreading into larger areas. The nice thing about absorbent socks is that they can conform around machines with a snug fit. Mat and wiper rolls. Mat and wiper rolls fit on the cabinet's drop-in bar for easy dispensing when longer lengths are needed. Think of them like you would your paper towel roll. They're great for cleaning work surfaces, tools, and even your hands. Absorbent pillows. Absorbent pillows are great for high-volume leaks or constant steady leaks and fit great in the bottom compartment of the spill station. You can customize your cabinet any way you feel necessary with the absorbents that are needed in your shop. If you have less space but still see the value in containing your absorbents, check out our Spill Control Station wall mount cabinet. This cabinet mounts to the wall or can fit directly on your applied bin system, and it's just as customizable. This cabinet has 2 adjustable shelves with a full-length plexiglass window for easy viewing of content. Contact your local Applied or Applied MSS rep today to place your order. Thanks.